Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we are trying to look at the positive aspect of Windows 11 this year, we also have a code name. So Microsoft, of course, assembled a team that is looking at the feedback, everything that annoys users, everything that should be changed, things that users are asking they would like to see, and this is why we're starting to see some changes here and there in the operating system in Windows 11. So that team has actually a code name attached to those improvements, Windows K2. This is the program that will overhaul the whole Windows 11 system, look at what people hate the most, change as much as they can, try to please everybody with the way things are happening in Windows 11. That code name actually and the team started to take shape apparently at the end of 2025. And of course, Pavan Duvaluri is behind all of this. He is the one that says it's time to change things around. And he wants Windows 11 to be something that everybody is proud of using by 2027. So, once again, I think this shows a focus, a big focus into let's fix Windows 11. And that pushes Windows 12 away. Honestly, I think the big deal now is let's make Windows 11 something great that people will like. And of course, you can't please everybody. There will always be haters and people that don't like. But the fact that they are working hard on all of this is really good. So performance, reliance, better compatibility, having also better experience overall. These are all things that they want to do internally with the Windows Insider program. Well, they want to make sure that the Windows Insider program, somebody looks at what is happening in there and notices, when there's a fix to be done and things like that. So this is kind of cool. And this is, if you see or hear Windows K2, don't believe it's Windows 12. It's actually the code name of the program to fix Windows 11 and make it a better operating system that everybody will love, according to Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.